Okay, first you want to heat up your olive oil and saute those mushrooms, whichever types you opted for. I have fresh shiitake, but you can certainly use canned. Crimini mushrooms, white button, portobello. Slice them all up and add them to the pan. I had one try to get away. Not so fast. And then you want to remove the mushrooms, set them aside, including any juice. And next you're going to prepare your rice mixture. We'll first saute the onions. Oh, don't forget the garlic. Gotta have garlic. So you just want to saute your onions and your garlic for a couple of minutes. Next you want to add your rice. And just stir that all together and cook that for about 5 minutes or so until the rice starts turning a little bit brown, kind of a golden brown is what you're after here. Then you add your spices. And add your wine, your white wine. And cook that until the wine is absorbed. I'm going to say a few minutes. Meanwhile, you just add your vegetable broth in batches, about a half a cup at a time, and just keep stirring until the broth is absorbed. Rinse and repeat. Now that broth I had heating up in a pan over medium heat. You don't want to bring it to a boil or anything, but it's just better if it's heated up as you're working with it. And you just keep doing this until you've worked all the way through the bottom of the pan of the broth. And by then, your risotto should be cooked, thickening, becoming something very special. And last but not least, remove the pan from the heat and stir in your remaining ingredients. Some buttery spread, Parmesan cheese, dairy or non-dairy, obviously non-dairy for this to be a 100% vegan dish. And I'm adding the mushrooms. Oh boy. Talk about stick to your ribs. It's such a great dish. And some additional green onions. Oh, there it is. A main dish, a side dish. Personally, it is very filling and satisfying as a main dish for me, but different strokes. Enjoy.